Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max and you're trying to find the steering wheel control module fuse. You actually have up to 2 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain where each one of those is located. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So, let's go ahead and explain. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes on your Ford C-Max. We'll be using only 2 today for the steering wheel control module fuses. So we're going to open the hood, and right under the hood, guys, in the corner right here, that's where the engine compartment, fuse box is located. So what we need to look here now, okay, on the back side you have one clip, okay, that you're going to press up, come up, pull it out, and that thing will come like that. Now when you twist it that way, okay, that layout here now in that box corresponds to what we have specifically here. So what we're looking for, okay, what we're looking for now, we need to find, guys, fuse number 26, and if you look, it's that fuse right here. So 26 will be 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, okay, from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, and there is a number right above it, guys. I'm trying to focus, okay, let me focus, see if I can focus. 26, that 5M fuse, that's the one, okay, for the steering wheel control module, one of them. If you need to see how to test the fuse or relay, we'll put a special link in the description of the video below so you can check this thing out. Another thing, if you guys need to buy any fuses for a really good price, check out the link and you will see where we get them from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So next we're going right here in the passenger side. We remove that cover under the glove box. You have another, okay, another fuse box here. Okay, let me just get something to point with, okay, so I can show you, okay, where all the fuses are located, so we know, okay, what we are talking about. So now we have one more fuse that we need to check, and that fuse is known as fuse 72, guys, number 72. In the top right corner you can see the fuse numbers. It's that 7.5M fuse, and obviously there was a problem before because that fuse is upside down. Somebody removed it before, otherwise he was going to be facing one way. So that's for the steering wheel control module. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We'll be more than glad to make a video if we have time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.